When it comes to the health and safety and how we use the installations, it's always to be taken into consideration. Whatever we do, regardless of how we do it, dust is going to be created. These are earth products. All these products that we've used today and seen, they're all earth products. They're natural, but they're all fibrous. So health and safety is important. Always, if cutting and using this, wear a mask. When cutting it, eye protection is always good, because the dust could potentially not necessarily be harmful to your eyes, but it's not a pleasant thing and could be an irritant. So health and safety, always follow it. Wear a mask, use eye protection. And if you're cutting mechanically, use ear defense.
What type of solutions might you have if you found a void within a wall as a result of slumping, for example?
If we found a void in a wall, and because of slumping, or for whatever reason has not been filled correctly, which occasionally does happen, but then again, that's why we thermal image. The way to confirm that your insulation is doing its job is to thermal image. That can take a number of forms, but mainly you would heat a house to potentially, 50 degrees and leave it for 4 hours. And then we thermal image every junction and every wall. And we can even take photographs of certain areas so we can analyze it, or we could use it for training, or we can just use it for demonstration on a report. So thermal imaging is key. If there is a void in the insulation or somewhere which has been slumped, then it will be picked up on the thermal image. So what do we do? If there is a void, very simple. We'll drill a hole and we'll fill it. We have, most of these stuff can be filled with a blowing machine or a fibre blowing machine. So therefore, all we need is a small hole and we can pump it in and we can fill that void. And we can reach pretty much anywhere where that void might be.